What's going on, everybody? Soloyaker here, and this is Cooking with Soloyaker. And, right now I'm in the process of trying to get things set up to where they're going to get better. So I just wanted to kind of give you some simple things that you can do at the house. That's what this channel is primarily going to be. It's going to be beginners, intermediate, and expert. So yes, go over to Cooking with Soloyaker. I will be doing more videos. I pretty much cook every day anyway. I've got a lot of other videos. I've got a short rib video that's going to be coming out soon. I've got another pork dish that's coming out. Trust me, I've got tons of friggin' cooking to do. And go to Cooking with Soloyaker. Go check out the page. Hit that subscribe button. And like I said, I didn't put a lot of anything in this video. You need to go over there to learn the recipes. So I'm going to get out of here. Make sure you go over there, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button. And I'll see you in the comments section over there. Soloyaker, deuces.